Hi, I'm Laura Gage. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the new HP mobile workstations. So today we're introducing a 14, 15, and our new 17-inch mobile workstations. They have the latest 3rd generation Intel processors and the latest graphics from both AMD and NVIDIA. And we have a couple of new features that we've also incorporated. We have a new image sensor touchpad, so you get really precise movement as you pinch and zoom and as you scroll with your touchpad. It also has a backlit keyboard, so you can have an on and off state like you used to, but you also have a 50% brightness state as well. The HP mobile workstations go through the same ISV certification process that the desk-based workstations do. We work with a number of partners like Avid, SolidWorks, and Adobe to certify that your applications work really well on the hardware. We also have tools like the HP Performance Advisor that allows you to fine-tune your workstation to your application. For more information, visit www.hp.com/zworkstations.